King Ranch Tremor Super Duty. This is a beautiful pickup right here. You can see the nice King Ranch emblem, boss level. You got the Retrax cover, one-hand operation, which is really nice for trucks that sit a little higher because you can just reach in with ease. You can lock the cover anywhere along the bed. You got heavy-duty aluminum slats that can hold 500 pounds of weight. We also installed these swing cases from Undercover. You get extra storage. You can lock up your straps and small items. They're removable. The cover has T-slot rails, so when this customer wants to add the rack system, crossbars, it's ready to go. Lifetime guarantee on the cover, top of the line for a top of the line truck. Visit Truck Access Plus. We're in Phoenix. Visit us online, truckaccessplus.com. Truck bed cover specialist. We'll help you out. Call our store today.